In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect a Facebook page from Go High Level. We'll walk through the exact steps inside your Go High Level account, and I'll also explain what you're seeing on the screen so you know you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to safely unlink a Facebook page whenever you need to. First, log into your Go High Level account and make sure you're in the correct location or workspace where your Facebook page is currently connected. Once you're in the right place, look for the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From that menu, you'll want to head into the settings area. Depending on your layout, the settings option is usually near the bottom of the left sidebar. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where Go High Level keeps all of the configuration options for your account, including your integrations with other platforms like Facebook. Once you're inside settings, look for the section labeled integrations. This section is specifically dedicated to the apps and services that are connected to your Go High Level account. Click on Integrations to open up the list of all your current and available integrations. On the Integrations page, you'll see the platforms that can be connected to Go High Level, including Facebook. Now here's the important part. There is usually no separate disconnect button for the Facebook integration. Instead, Go High Level uses the same button for both connecting and disconnecting. So, if your Facebook account or page is already connected, you'll see a button that indicates the connection status, often labeled as connected. It might look like it's already active, but this is actually the button you need to click. Go ahead and click on that connected button. When you do this, Go High Level will bring up a prompt asking if you want to delete or remove the connection. This is essentially your confirmation step. Read the message to make sure you're removing the correct Facebook account or page, then click OK or confirm to proceed. After you confirm, just follow the on-screen prompts until the process is complete. Once everything finishes, the status should update, and you'll see that your Facebook page is no longer connected to Go High Level. If needed, you can always reconnect later from the same integrations page using the usual connection flow.